Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can color tab in Google Sheets mobile. So let's get started. Here I have opened my Google Sheets application on my phone and I have opened my spreadsheet as well. And we're going to color one of the tab of the spreadsheet. So the first thing we have to do is selecting the tab that we're going to color. We can slide our screen like this to find the tab, but we can also click on this button to select the tab. And after we click on the button, we can scroll down our screen to find the tab that we want to color. And for example, I'm going to color this one, this sheet 4. And after that, we can click on the sheet like this until this option appear on your screen, and you can scroll down until you find tab color. And you just need to click on tab color and select the color that you want to use. For example, I'm going to select red color, then just tap on the color. Then after that, we can go back to the preview section. Okay guys, and now the tab has been colored, and that's how we can color tab on Google Sheets mobile. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.